How to send a Google Calendar invite in Gmail. So first go to your Google Calendar like this. And then what you need to do is, for example, we're going to create an event, right? So let's create one. So I'll just name this as example event. Then next is, of course, customize all of the details here that you need. And then as for the how you invite people here, just add in all of the people here for the add guests. So for example, just type in an email of theirs. So say this is an example email, right? Just select the email, then it will add it right like this. So as per the guest permissions here, you can select all of the permissions that the guest can do. So either choose any among of the options here. Either they can modify the event, invite others, or just see the guest list. So I'll just leave this one as it is. And then what you need to do next is just click on save, and then just click on send. And then they will receive an email with the link for this event, and they can just join the event by clicking on the link. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.